the 3-step smoothies for beautiful skin. This is Mark Leong here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you on how you can make your 3-step smoothies that is so easy, at the same time it is delicious. And it also comes with 3 incredible health benefits. So if you're watching right now, this smoothie is great for number 1, if you want to have great skin, because the vitamin C contents and the phytonutrients in here are absolutely important for your skin to repair the damaged cells and also boost collagen absorption. Number 2, this is great for any one of us here who are suffering from constipation because it has fiber. And last but not least, number 3 is for any of us here who are not a fan of eating too much fruits or vegetables. This is a great introduction into your diet, right? Now, this smoothie here symbolizes Singapore in conjunction to our National Day Parade, where it is small, but at the same time, it is powerful. So don't underestimate this small little mug or bowl that you're about to make, because this is truly great, right? In terms of vitamins, loaded nutrients, and even protein. Now, and on top of it, for any one of us here who are lactose intolerant, this remedy is something that you're going to love it, right? And I'm sure you're going to be making this for your entire family, and if you're a parent, your kids are going to love this as well, all right? So now, let me jump straight into the making. You can see all the ingredients that are required are listed here. For any one of you here with gout, right? Basically, you want to avoid anything that's going to have your uric acid levels goes up. So here I am actually using pumpkin seed milk, all right, as a substitute that is safe for anyone with gout. But in case if you don't have gout, you can use any form of other nut milk, such as what? Cashew nut milk, you can use macadamia, you can use even almond nut milk, right? So what I have here is actually a bowl, right, or a jug of pumpkin seed milk that is amazing. Now, one of the biggest mistakes when it comes to smoothie making is most people are putting too much fruits, or basically they are having only less than 1 or 2 ingredients. And for me, that smoothie is not nutritious enough. Now, minimally, you need to have at least 5 ingredients when it comes to smoothie making, so that it can be, to a certain extent, a meal replacement, because you need to have sufficient amount of calories and nutrients in there. So, step 1 is making your base, right? That base of our white color Singapore flag that symbolizes pure, right? And of course, innocence, strength, right? So now, what I have here is that I'm going to be adding in my pumpkin seeds milk together with my chia seeds, right? So what you want to do is that you want to add in your chia seeds and also a bowl of raw oats. This is going to give you that fiber that is lacking in most of our diet, right? Now, and give it a good stir and just leave this for about 2 to 3 minutes at the side, because you want your base to be thick. That is step 1. Step 2 is making the red color that is a symbol in our Singapore flag. Now, what you need is basically a blender, and I would highly recommend you to use a glass blender instead of a plastic blender, so that it is great even for things that are hot, especially if you are making soups or any form of sauces. So what I'm going to insert now are basically the dry ingredients first, which are fresh organic berries, right? Make sure you are getting organic berries, because berries cover a lot of pesticides on it. You want to avoid that. And of course, about a half to a quarter size of freshly cut, pineapple, which is really good, especially with the bad weather right now. This is going to give you some, bromelain to help you to soothe, your irritated throat. And here I'm going to add in, right, my freshly squeezed orange juice for additional vitamin C content, and of course, freshly squeezed or cold pressed beetroot juice. Okay, that's all you have. 4 amazing ingredients, and voila! Step 3. This is where you're gonna basically put all of the things together, right? So what you need is a beautiful, glass jar or a beautiful mug. Now, so after 2 to 3 minutes, you will see that the combination of the seed milk, the chia seeds, and the oats has thickened up. So that will be the base, all right, represents the white part of our Singapore flag. This is your source of fiber. And what you can also do is you can actually, add some probiotics in it to strengthen your gut health as well, all right? I'm going to be pouring in the combination of my berries, pineapple, orange juice, and beetroot, all right? So you want to slowly pour this in. So this represents the red part of our flag, all right? And here you go, all right. Now what you can do on top of it is that you can basically decorate it with, you know, your seeds, you know, your nuts if you want to. I'm just gonna put a dry orange peel here to give you some feel, all right, that this is a very holiday mood, and of course a beautiful smoothie here. And here